This is a RZR 900. Also, you can have this on a RZR 1000. Is if your starter motor continuously spins, but the crank doesn't. Well, I can show you another easy way to check. Take off your flywheel cover, grab this gear, and if it spins either way just like that, then you have a bad one-way bearing. How to check if your bearing is bad is if it turns and then turns the other way, then your one-way bearing is bad. I already replaced mine, so it doesn't do it anymore, but you can tell by the old one it is bad because it breaks apart. There you go.